This week on Extension Today, my colleague Jenny Lobb joins me in the demonstration kitchen on Waterman Farm, where we're going to be cooking up tomatoes.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Hi, my name's Tim McDermott from OSU Extension. I'm here with my colleague Jenny Lobb, family and consumer science educator and registered dietitian. Last time we talked about maximizing our healthy tomato harvest. Today, Jenny is going to show us a delicious recipe prepared with these amazing tomatoes.
Thanks, Tim. So we have a variety of colorful, ripe, locally grown and picked tomatoes that we're going to use today to make a fresh tomato salsa. I'm gonna start with a couple of these red ones. So we know that red tomatoes have an antioxidant called lycopene. Tomatoes are the biggest source of lycopene in the vegetable world. So I'm gonna start cutting this orange one. You wanna tell us about this variety, Tim?
Yeah, so that is a heirloom variety called Rainbow, and you can tell right away when you take a look in there why it's called Rainbow. I really like heirloom tomatoes. They have amazing depth of flavor. They're very, very sweet.
So right now I'm just cutting this tomato into big chunks and we're gonna have a chunky salsa.
Why don't you add this rascal right here? This is called green zebra, and it has kind of almost like a little bit of a spicy flavor. It's also an heirloom, and so it's gonna have that amazing depth of flavor. I like it because it's gonna add another color into the salsa, and I think it's one of the prettiest varieties of tomatoes out there.
I'm gonna go ahead and scoop all of this tomato into the bowl. Now we're gonna add some onion. We'll probably just add half the onion to this bowl of salsa. So I'm gonna add that onion. We already have some garlic that has been pre-minced for us, so we're just gonna dump that right in. Our onion and garlic here. And then we're gonna add some cilantro. Just gonna coarsely chop it. All right, so then our final ingredients are lime and salt. So we're gonna just give this a good stir, and that is it. That's a simple, easy way to use your fresh tomatoes from your garden. Give it a try.
I was hoping you would say that. It smells and it looks amazing. Go Box, delicious. While we have a little bit of extra time here in the kitchen, Jenny, you have a recipe for another one of both my personal and Central Ohio's favorite summer vegetables, sweet corn.
Yeah, we're gonna do a street corn recipe today with our sweet corn. So we're gonna make a sauce to put on our grilled corn. We've already grilled our corn about 3 minutes on each side, and while it's grilling, you could mix up this sauce. So we're gonna start with some mayonnaise. I have half cup of mayonnaise here, and then we have some crema here, or the Mexican sour cream. So we're going to add half cup of that as well. And then we are going to add in some queso cheese. This is already crumbled. And then we're gonna add a little bit of garlic and then some chipotle pepper. So we're gonna give that a good stir, and then I'm going to add in some lime, some fresh cilantro again, and then we'll give it another stir and spread it right on top of your corn, just like you might butter an ear of corn.
What a dynamite. I highly recommend. For more information on these delicious recipes, as well as how to grow and harvest your own delicious tomatoes and sweet corn, visit us at go.osu.edu/extension today. And thanks for joining us this time on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.